This is a 2015 TurboTax return. It's strictly locked to the 2015 software version. You cannot open it with modern TurboTax. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the software. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common T15. Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. The T15 data structure is specifically aligned with the data file type. The TurboTax 2015 return defines the total organization of its data. The T15 file extension is associated with the TurboTax 2015 guide. This file contains tax preparation information, instructions, and guidance specific to the 2015 tax year. It assists users in accurately completing their tax returns using the TurboTax software, ensuring compliance with tax laws and regulations for that period. The T15 file is designed to be opened and utilized within the TurboTax 2015 software. It incorporates a structured format that allows for easy navigation and access to relevant tax information. The file may contain embedded links, interactive forms, and calculation tools to aid in tax preparation. Your first application to test with T15 should be H&R Block tax software from H&R Block. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows does not parse structured data formats, so the original application is needed for full visibility. Your key action: right-click the T15 file and choose Open with. Test H&R Block tax software, if it's an option. If not, select another application. Testing is the most reliable way to find the issue. If the T15 file won't open, don't panic. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use TurboTax. Open the file using the TurboTax 2015 downloaded program, as the file will only contain data that must be loaded by the specific year's software. Next, update the program. After installation, update the 2015 program and install any state programs you had before attempting to open the file. Finally, use PDF backup. If the program is unavailable, access your prior year returns on the TurboTax website and download the official PDF copy for viewing cost printing. If all basic apps have been ruled out, it's clear the solution lies beyond normal troubleshooting. The sensible answer is to try a universal file viewer. Final step: use our one-click T1.5. Fix the FileMagick Universal tool. It gets the job done instantly. Find it at filemagick.com. If you need any more clarification, ask in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe before you leave. I appreciate your time today.